Hello everybody, I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. My name is Brian Gillis, and of course my company is UNet Results. One of the things we focus on is service advisor training, automotive management, leadership, financials. We put together some videos for independent auto repair shop owners so that we could just help the industry continually get better. And it's not just me and my information and my experiences, but we like sharing some of our Zoom meetings that we hold with shop owners and some of our clinics, our virtual clinics that we hold with other service advisors across the country and Canada. Thanks again for visiting. Please subscribe so that you can be sure and get the future videos that we'll be sending out. We're gonna do a good job of putting out content regularly. We really appreciate your support. Give us a like. Let your fellow service advisors and folks that are in the automotive industry know about our channel so that they can come visit and check us out as well. Thank you very much. I'm glad you're here. Enjoy the videos. Enjoy the future videos. If you've got something valuable to add that'll help the next service advisor, feel free to comment. Add your information. I really appreciate the support. Let's rock out the automotive industry. It's the best industry left on the planet. We love it. I'll talk to you soon. I'll catch you on the video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.